The Field Mouse by Cecil Francis Alexander. Where the acorn tumbles down, where the ash tree shades its berry, with your fur so soft and brown, with your eyes so round and merry, scarcely moving the long grass, field mouse, I can see you pass.
Little thing, in what dark den lie you all the winter sleeping, till warm weather comes again. Then once more I see you peeping round about the tall tree roots, nibbling at their fallen fruits.
Field mouse, do not go. Where the farmer stocks his treasure, find the nut that falls below. Eat the acorn at your pleasure, but you must not steal the grain. He has stacked with so much pain.
Make a hole nose spring underneath the tall oak's shadow. Pretty quiet having seen. Play about it, sing in the middle. Keep away from cowering walls. None will harm you, little mouse.